So let's get rid of this and we say weather with completion and just hit enter, and this is gonna be my array. I'm going to call this hourly forecast array, and let's see what we are going to do. I'm going to print for now my information. So I say for data, remember this is an array in, and we access our hourly forecast array. I'm going to say print, let's say forecast data, and let's put string interpolation here, and I'm going to say data dot temp, and then we put comma data dot, we have our date, and comma data dot weather icon. Now this will be our weather icon name. So if I run my application, we should receive 24 lines printed. So we have temp, date, and weather icon. Let's see here. So we have forecast data, temperature is 11, date is current date with an hour, which is 7 o'clock, and then we have this icon name. You can see the icon changes, our weather is actually changing, and we have this for 24 times printed. So this means that we are getting our forecast URL for hourly forecast properly. Actually, let's go back to my function here. Download. Let's call this hourly forecast. Hourly forecast weather, and let's fix this one here as well. And just run again, make sure our application is working without any crashes, and we still receive our information here. All right, it's coming back. As you can see, the information is still same, which is okay. This is what we need. Just again, one more problem for right now we are hard coding our URL, but in the future we are going to fix this, so this is dynamic. Every time we have different location, we are going to use the same code in order to receive our information from our API. The third thing in our model is going to be our weekly forecast. So if I open my simulator here and my ready application, so we did this part here for every hour, so we have our data now, and then we need to move on to the weekly forecast. So we need actually 6 days here, because the current day is not counted. We don't want to show it here as well. So as you can see, our weekly forecast, it shows daily information. We have the name of the day of the week here, we have the icon, and we have the temperature. So again, we need 3 variables to display our information there. Unlike our current weather, we needed more, because our current weather is displaying this area as well. So the information for this we already have. We are going to just build a user interface to show the information. Right now our UI is empty. We are just building our models, and once we finish with our models, we're going to move on to our user interface, so we can design our user interface and start displaying the information that we have received from our API. So let's create another file in our model. It's going to be a Swift file, and this is going to be a weekly weather forecast. And let's call this class, and the class name is going to be weekly weather forecast. And let's also import our Swifty JSON and Alamo file here. And in next lecture we are going to start writing the code for this.